Has your Amazon seller account been blocked or suspended? This predicament can be quite daunting, but worry not. We're here to guide you through the process of getting your account back in action. The first step is to comprehend the reason for the block or suspension. Amazon usually sends a notice delineating the issue. The reasons can vary from policy violations, performance metrics not up to par, or maybe concerns related to customer feedback. Next, make sure to review any communication from Amazon regarding the suspension. This correspondence often provides significant details on the issue and might include instructions on how to tackle it. Now it's time to create a plan of action. If Amazon has been kind enough to provide particulars on the issue, create a comprehensive plan of action outlining the steps you will undertake to resolve the problem and avoid its recurrence. Be specific, concise, and make sure to address each point brought up by Amazon. Once your plan of action is ready, submit it through the Appeal or Plan of Action button in your Seller Central account. Clearly state the steps you have taken or will take to rectify the issue, ensuring that all concerns raised by Amazon are addressed. After submission, don't forget to regularly check your Seller Central account for updates. Amazon will look into your plan of action and may ask for additional information or clarification. Make sure you respond promptly to any such requests. Remember, professionalism and politeness go a long way. When communicating with Amazon, maintain a respectful and professional tone. Avoid getting confrontational. Express your understanding of the issue and your dedication to resolving it. If your suspension is tied to performance metrics, take proactive steps to improve them. Keep an eye on your order defect rate, late shipment rate, and other key metrics to ensure they align with Amazon's benchmarks. Lastly, if you encounter any roadblocks or have queries during the reinstatement process, don't hesitate to contact Amazon Seller Support for assistance. You can locate the contact options in your Seller Central account. Getting your Amazon account unblocked can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps diligently. Here's hoping your seller account is back up and running in no time.